coat so white, ears so big, a curious sight. Sunny meadow farm, his home so green, but adventures call, a brand new scene. Barnaby's big day out, a joyful leap, past the clucking chickens, secrets to keep. Through the gate he slipped, a wiggle and squeeze, a dusty path, a gentle breeze. Daisies bright, a field so wide, a playful nibble with joyful stride. Whispering trees, a forest deep, babbling brook where shadows sleep. Barnaby's big day out, a joyful leap, past the clucking chickens, secrets to keep. Through the gate he slipped, a wiggle and squeeze, a dusty path, a gentle breeze. Shadows play, a yellow butterfly he chased away. Meadow open, the barn in sight, a happy feeling burning bright. Homeward bound with energy new, missing mama's bleed, so warm and true. Dusty coat, but pride so grand, a story to tell in his goatish land. Barnaby's big day out, a joyful leap, past the clucking chickens, secrets to keep. Through the gate he slipped,